SIN33122Q670E is the ideal choice to replace your traditional rack-mounted, wall-mounted, or embedded industrial computer. 3 expansion slots are available. If not enough, you can choose 7 expansion slots. It is equivalent to the expansion capabilities of existing 4U 19-inch industrial computers. While its size is very compact in comparison, the machine is 157mm wide, 280mm deep, 188mm high. Compared with the 4U chassis, the size is smaller. Using Q670 chipset, supports Intel 12th, 13th, and 14th generation Alder Lake Core i-series desktop processors, coupled with two 32GB DDR5 memories, provides excellent computing performance. The machine can accommodate two 2.5-inch hard drives, supports RAID 0 or 1, also equipped with an M2 2280 SATA interface for installation of a third SSD. The system and data are stored separately, ensure data security. It also provides rich I/O interfaces to meet the needs of various vertical applications, includes DP plus HDMI dual mode display output, equipped with 8 USB 3.2 ports with locking screw holes for connecting and securing USB 3 cameras. Furthermore, also equipped with a gigabit Ethernet port and a 2.5G Ethernet port 5 serial ports. Among them, COM1 and COM2 are RS-232-422-485 adjustable serial port. COM3 is a 1-to-3 RS-232 serial port. This machine has an efficient heat dissipation design, can support a 115-watt Nvidia GPU, ensure that the CPU and GPU run stably, in a wide temperature range of -25 degrees to 60 degrees, provide powerful AI computing power for today's deep learning-based applications, provides 3 PCIe slots for mounting expansion cards, 2 full-length mini PCIe slots with SIM card to meet your wireless communication needs. So is such a device suitable for your application scenario?